if you want to play music. What should we listen to? Well, for a start, play music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
So that's a good choice of music, Siri, thank you. So you can play music if you want to play a specific track. If you want to play all your tracks, just say shuffle music. If you want to play a specific track, I'm just trying to think of right, here we go. Play Dance Monkey.
Dance Monkey by Tones and I now playing.
So play specific tracks. If you go to the 8 boxes here, like so, just wind it back there, it gives you a display, it gives you your sat nav display, what's on your audio, and how long it takes you to get home. To set the sat nav,